Hello, Gineers! In this video, we will teach you how to create master products in bulk using the Import to Create Product Basic Version feature in the Ginee dashboard. The basic version is suitable for creating master products without variations, such as color or size variants. You can use this feature to create master products in bulk using an Excel template. Let's start with the tutorial, Gineers! First, go to the Master Product menu and click Master Product List. Then hover over the top right corner and click the Import-Export dropdown. Then select Import to Create Product. At this page, you will see two options, Basic and Pro version. For this tutorial, we will discuss the basic version, so select the Basic version Import to Create tab and then click Download Template. Once the Excel template has been downloaded, you just need to fill in the required details, which are the columns in red text. Now that your Excel file is ready to go back to the Import to Create Product page and click Import File and select the Excel template file. Your file will now be uploaded. You can now click View Now. Congratulations! Your master products uploaded successfully.